Listen up. You think getting ahead in school or at your first job is about having the most brain power or the fanciest degree. That's part of it, sure, but it's not the whole game. The real superpower is communication. People who get things done versus people who just spin their wheels. When you can clearly tell someone what you need, what you're thinking, what the plan is, everything changes. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, everyone can see where they're going and they stop bumping into each other. Good communication isn't some soft skill for HR departments. It's a weapon. It's how you get your team to pull in the same direction to finish a project on time. It's how you make people feel like their ideas matter, which makes them want to work harder for you and with you. Think about it. Every major screw-up, every failed project, every argument with a coworker, you can almost always trace it back to a breakdown in communication. Someone didn't listen. Someone wasn't clear. Someone assumed something they shouldn't have. It's a constant battle against chaos, and your words are your primary tool for winning it. When you master this, you're not just avoiding problems, you're actively building your future. You can explain a complex idea so simply that everyone gets it. You can calm down an angry customer or motivate a tired team. People start to trust you. They see you as a leader, not because you have a title, but because you have clarity. Promotions, bigger responsibilities, trust of your peers. All of that is built on a foundation of being able to say what you mean and have people understand it. It's the most powerful and underrated skill you can possibly develop. Forget about complex theories for a second and just think about this on a primal level. We're social creatures. We're wired to connect, to share information, to work together, to survive and thrive. In the modern world, your tribe is your company, your project team, your class. If you can't communicate effectively within that tribe, you're on the outside. You're ineffective. Learning to communicate well isn't just a business hack. It's about tapping into a fundamental aspect of what it means to be a successful human being. It's time to start taking it seriously. So, what even is communication? People throw that word around all the time, but what are we actually talking about? At its core, it's just the act of moving an idea from your brain into someone else's brain. That's it. It's about creating a shared understanding. The word itself comes from the Latin word communis, which means common. The whole point is to make your thoughts common knowledge between you and another person. It can be through speaking, writing an email, sending a text, or even just the look on your face. It's all just a transfer of information. It's a 5-part chain: sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback. And a failure at any link means the whole thing falls apart. You encode an idea into words, images, or gestures. Pick a channel like email, call, or face-to-face. The receiver decodes it, and their response is feedback. Without feedback, you're just shouting into the void. You don't know if the message landed or got twisted. And all along this chain, you've got this thing called noise. Noise is anything that messes with the signal. It could be a bad Wi-Fi connection, a loud office, using jargon the other person doesn't know, or even just being in a bad mood. Your job as a communicator is to minimize that noise and get clear feedback. Think of it like throwing a football. You're the quarterback, the sender. You decide on the play, the idea. You grip the ball and aim, encoding the message. You throw the ball through the air, the channel. Your receiver has to catch it, decode it. And when they signal back, that's feedback. If there's strong wind or a defender in the way, more noise, the pass might be incomplete. The goal is to complete the pass by being intentional about every step. Now let's get into the different ways this information flows. The simplest distinction is one-way versus two-way communication. One-way communication is a monologue. You broadcast a message without expecting or getting an immediate reply. Public announcement, a billboard on the highway, a pre-recorded training video, a company-wide memo from the CEO. Information flows in one direction. No back and forth. It's a broadcast, not a conversation. Useful to reach many people quickly. The office will be closed on Friday. Sales numbers are available. Remember to submit your timesheets. Danger: zero feedback. You assume everyone understood exactly as intended. Then you have two-way communication, the foundation of real collaboration. This is a dialogue, phone call, a team meeting, a brainstorming session, a simple text chat. Information flows back and forth. The receiver responds, asks, adds, they become the sender, and the cycle continues. Clarify, negotiate, co-create. This is where the real work gets done. You adjust on the fly. To align everyone, open the floor. You need that two-way flow. When we think about communication, we usually think about words. That's verbal communication. The things we say or write, it's the literal message. And it's important. Choosing the right words can be the difference between a clear instruction and a confusing mess. It's the what you are saying, but it's only a tiny fraction. Most communication, face-to-face, is nonverbal. The unspoken language of your body, your face, your voice, posture, eye contact, facial expressions, tone, pitch, speed. This is the how you are saying it. Say, I'm excited with flat tone, slumped shoulders, zero eye contact. Nobody believes you. Nonverbal signals can contradict and override your words. A confident nod supports. A warm smile de-escalates. On Zoom, cues are magnified. People notice eyes, fidgets, boredom. Be intentional. Sit up. Look at the camera. Use hand gestures. Be conscious of your expressions. Nonverbal signals reinforce your words or destroy them. You choose. Just like you wouldn't wear a tuxedo to a backyard barbecue, you can't use the same style for every situation. Know the difference and when to use each. Formal communication follows the chain of command. Annual reports, policies, legal contracts, proposals needing approvals. It's planned and deliberate. It creates a paper trail, accountability, and a permanent record. Use it to announce major changes, document decisions, present official findings. Professional tone, structured format. Informal is casual, unofficial, spontaneous. Hallway chats, quick IMs, rough brainstorms. It doesn't follow authority lines. It's fast, personal, essential for relationships and culture. Key, need a record or stakes are high. Go formal. Need a quick answer or rapport? Go informal. Using the wrong one is like showing up to a fight with a spreadsheet. People are wired differently. We process information in different ways. One size fits all fails. Smart communicators recognize the style and adjust. It's a cheat code. Analytical lives for data, facts, logic. Suspicious of sweeping statements. Tip: lead with numbers, charts, verifiable specifics. Step by step. Intuitive wants the big picture fast. Conceptual, visionary, outcome-focused. Tip: start with the conclusion, the why. Use metaphors. Functional cares about the how, process, milestones, responsibilities. Tip: lay out the plan, timeline, deliverables, personal values connection, and outcomes for people. Tip: build rapport. Use stories. Emphasize team benefits. Focus on the who. Learn to spot the style in front of you and match it. You'll be understood faster and win buy-in sooner. That's how you turn communication into influence. If you want your communication to be effective, especially in writing, follow the 7 C's or get ignored, misunderstood, deleted. Think of them like a workout routine for your words. 1. Completeness. Include all needed info. Not just let's meet. Say Tuesday 2 p.m., conference room 3 to discuss the budget. 2. Conciseness. Be brief. Cut filler. Instead of at this point in time, say send the report now. 3. Consideration. Put yourself in their shoes. Your feedback would be valuable here. If you prefer a call, let me know. 4. Clarity. Avoid jargon. Not effectuate the implementation. Say start the project. 5. Concreteness. Be specific. Sales increased 15% last quarter. 6. Courtesy. Be polite. Not, you need to fix this. Try. Could you please take a look when you have a moment? 7. Correctness. Verify facts, grammar, spelling, always proofread, read aloud. One typo can change the meaning and kill credibility. Follow these 7 and you'll communicate with power and precision. Spoken is one thing. But writing is a different beast. It's permanent, forwardable, scrutinized, and misinterpreted later. Your goal: help the reader understand and act fast. Before you type, define purpose and audience. Why am I writing? Who will read this? Purpose defines your message. Audience defines tone, detail, and language. Put the bottom line up front. State your main point in the first sentence. Use short sentences and short paragraphs. One idea per sentence. Format for the human eye. Headings, bullet points, numbered steps, selective bold. Proofread. Read it aloud. Use a spell checker. Ask a friend for a quick look. A single error can undermine everything. Clean structure signals a clear, organized thinker. Make it easy to say yes. All right, we've covered a lot of ground. We've broken down why communication is a fundamental superpower. We looked at how information moves: sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback, broadcasting versus conversation, and the power of nonverbal. We covered contexts, the 4 business tribes, the 7 C's, and how to write clearly. But knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is power. You don't get strong by reading about lifting. You get strong by doing the reps. So here's your call to action. Today, write one deliberate email to a coworker, professor, or friend, and run it through the 7 C's. Look for feedback. That's your first rep. Do it now. Start building that muscle today. If this helped, subscribe for more smart student skills. Communication, customer service, career basics. Grab the free 7 C's checklist in the description and drop a comment with your biggest communication win this week. Watch next. Email like a pro. Ace your presentation and nonverbal mastery. See you in the next lesson.